So I'm going to do a couple of tests tonight on my water issue here. What I've got is a 3/4 inch PVC pipe connected to my water heater main feed line. And that comes down to this fitting here and is going to dump into a 5-gallon bucket. And you can see I'm going to position that right underneath the drain pipe that I've set up. Purpose of this is to show that I have full pressure feeding into the water heater. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to, water pressure at the house is on. I'm going to open my ball valve here. And you can see I've got really great pressure here, great flow. There's nothing blocking this opening, this pipe. So I'm going to shut it off. And now I'm going to reconnect it to the water heater and do the same test again, and you'll see what is actually coming out of the water heater in just a few minutes. So I'm going to pause it for now, reconnect the water heater. Okay, I'm back. You can see I've got the water heater reconnected. Pressure's back on. And down here, I've got my ball valve. And this is going to be a little tricky to do with one hand, but I'm going to give it my best. So, my bucket's here. And I'm going to open this valve under full pressure. So that's full pressure coming out of the hot water heater right now. About the same as I'm getting out of the sink. Nowhere near as strong as up above. So I'm going to come over here just to go in and get my handy gauge here. And I'm going to screw it on to the pipe. Plumbing or the hose fitting here. Okay, and I'm going to open that valve. And I don't know if you can see, but it is showing 65 pounds, which is the pressure that I get when I measure it on the main line coming into the house. So I don't know. I keep going back and forth. Is it the plumbing? Is it the water heater? The water heater has been completely cleaned out. There's no residual junk in there. I've taken the dip tube out. I cleared it. There was nothing in the dip tube. I opened up some of the holes, made them bigger, feed the water into the heater better. You know, I just don't know what at this point is going on. It's just a mystery, but I think I'm going to stop the plumber from coming out on Wednesday because I can't see there's anything he can do. It's I think it's the water heater. Now the good news is this water heater is under a recall, which is you go to waterheaterrecall.com, and this is an A.O. Smith model, and it's GNR 4200. And I actually still have to confirm, but according to Consumer Reports, if it was made between 2011 and 2016 and it's a gas water heater, there's an issue with the burner potentially causing a fire if it's mounted on wood. And of course I've got things around it here that I guess are potentially combustible, so I'm definitely going to research the rebate situation. But in any case, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.